there are two easy ways to create a drop-down list. Select Cell, go to Data, find Data Tools section, and select Data Validation. From your first drop-down, select List, go to Source, click the icon on the right-hand side, and here select Source for your list. In our case, it is gonna be days of the week. So I select from Monday to Friday and select OK. And we've got our drop-down list. The second way to create drop-down list, again select Cell, go to Data, find Data Tools section, select Data Validation. From the drop-down, select List, go to Source, and type your items here, separated by comma. And the drop-down is ready. If you want to type anything in here and press Enter, Excel doesn't allow you to do this. You can change this behavior. Go to Data, select Data Validation, select Error Alert, and you can change the style in here. For example, just warning, not stop. Here you can customize your message. And now if you type miss, for example, Excel asks you continue. If you press yes, it allows you